Good afternoon. It is December the 5th, and the grain markets were mixed today with soybeans up and corn and wheat down. The cotton market had a pretty impressive day considering the nervousness in soybeans as to what this new trade world is going to indicate for the markets. There's some doubt, it appears, from soybean traders as to what might happen going forward. The administration and China say they're about to start buying beans, U.S. selling beans to them. But most of the big soybean traders want to see it. They actually want to see the proof of it, and they're not going to participate or buy the market until they can see it. There's a big carry out in beans, and until they can start seeing some dent made in that with purchases from China, they don't seem to want to be part of this. Cotton, on the other hand, seems to be rather trusting. It seems to believe that there's going to be buying because cotton was up 128 at 81.09, a high of 81.30, a low of 79.66. Good volume, solid market. Soybeans, on the other hand, closed it in January at 9.13 and a quarter. The high was 9.16 and 3/4. The low was 9.08 and a half. But that put soybeans up 2 on the day. March corn down a half at 3.84 and a quarter, high of 3.86 and 3/4, low of 3.82 and 3/4. March wheat down 4.5 at 5.18 with a high of 5.22 and a low of 5.13 and a half. Looking at the outside markets, and remember, banks were closed, the U.S. stock market was closed, but we can see through the futures market that was open what the index futures contract was doing, and it's trading somewhere a little over 100 points higher in the Dow Jones. So it is positive. Crude oil down 5 cents a barrel, dollar up 6, gold down $5 an ounce, silver down 96 cents an ounce, and as I mentioned, Dow Jones, at least synthetically in futures, was up a little over 100. That is it. Join us tomorrow. I'm not sure if the exports will be released tomorrow morning, Thursday morning, because today was closed. We'll have to wait and see. It probably will be coming out tomorrow. We'll have that to look forward to, but have a good evening, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Thanks.